This video focuses on auditing the organization's manufacturing process, and it's covering the auditing of the setup verification process. The auditor is questioning the machine setter. Watch this video and identify whether the auditor does this audit effectively.
Good morning.
Morning.
Can you explain to me your role?
Yeah, I'm a machine setter. So I've worked here for about 10 years. Started off as an operator. Last 5 years I've been involved in setting the tools into the machine.
Okay, and can you explain the setup process to me?
So when we need to do a changeover, we were informed by production planning. So production would call me down once they finished the previous batch. My job is to take the tool out of the machine. We have to change the various pipe work for the new tool. And then when I finish the setup, then we run through our first off verification.
Okay. So looking at your control plan here. Yeah, it states the last off from the previous run is checked by the setter prior to the tool being returned to store. Is that correct?
Yeah, we do last off.
And then it states the new tool set up the process parameters and the first off checked. Can you show me the first off?
It's probably going to be about another 30 minutes before I finish the setup on this machine. So at the moment I have no first off sample. So if you want to wait, that's okay. But it's going to take me probably another 30 minutes.
No problem, I'll sit here and wait.
Right, okay, I'll carry on then.
All right, thank you.
So let's summarize. The good thing is the auditor is on the shop floor to audit the setup verification, and he spends time understanding the role of the person doing the job setup. However, the auditor asks too many close or leading questions, allowing the setter to answer yes or allowing the setter to answer no, without providing any relevant objective evidence. Also, it is ineffective to use time standing watching the setter finishing the setup for 30 minutes. The auditor should always have either sampled the effectiveness of the setup on another machine or followed the audit trails to other production processes or machines, and then they can return back to see the first off verification at this machine. The applicable IATF 16949 requirements related in this video would be 8.5.1.3, verification of job setup. The auditor could have also questioned the setter on what triggers another job setup. For example, after an unplanned shutdown. This would relate to IATF 16949 requirement 8.5.1.4, verification after shutdown. So let's summarize the key learning points. Auditors should always utilize open audit questions so they can get sufficient objective evidence. Auditors should make effective use of audit time. While standing and observing is good, there would be limited value for standing and watching the setter complete the full setup, which in this case could last for up to 30 minutes. For more information, visit the website in the description, and don't forget to subscribe.